want to help to base to guard, and I need to job and salary. Ma'am and sir. 5 to 6 hours.
Oh yes, sir. My name is same like what is the name in my I mean in my naming game.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Copy.
Is there
Is
even
there speak for me is treating good the other soldier or the civilian or anything. I want to join the army because I want a job and I want to protect the citizen of this city, of this country, and I will protect the base, the RP base. We address the rank. We address like yes, mom, yes, sir. I am active like 5 hours or maybe 6 to 8 like that. Um, AFK is away from the keyboard. No, I'm not allowed to shoot without macros, without role playing. Um, we need some two warning to get an reprimand. If a civilian enters our base, is I will do some role play with him, and if he not listen, I'll give him a warning, and if they not listening, I will kill him. Yeah. No, I can leave the military base with permission from the general, or maybe I have general.
AFK, away from keyboard and
Oh,
silent?
sir.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.